As the title of this poetry festival suggests, writing poetry is always an act of translation, an effort to find words for something that is first and foremost ineffable. To translate is to transfer, to move, etymologically, not just from language to language, but also from place to place. Cristian Gomez is a poet and a scholar who has performed many acts of translation, both in the literal sense of this word and in the sense connoted by its etymology. Mr. Gomez was born in Santiago de Chile, where he earned a master's in literature and began his writing career. There, he published his first two books, Corazón de Crónicas, 1993, and Al Final de lo Lejos, 1996. In 2003, he moved to Iowa to pursue a PhD in Latin American literature. There, he lived until 2009. These were particularly productive years in which he participated on the International Writing Program at the University of Iowa and won several prizes for his poetry awarded by different organizations at very different locations. The 7th edition of the Iberian American Poetry Contest Sor Juana Inés de la Cruz, sponsored by the Embassy of Mexico in Costa Rica, the Premio de Poesía Víctor Jara, awarded by a publishing house in Salamanca, Spain, and El Vino y la Poesía, sponsored among others by the Pablo Neruda Foundation in Chile. These were also the years when Cristian published 5 of his 8 books of poetry, Inesa Armand, Pie Quebrado, Como un ciego en una habitación a oscuras, Alfabeto para nadie, and Homenaje a Chester Kallman, and co-edited an anthology of Iberian American poetry written in the US titled Malditos Latinos, Malditos Sudacas. And these were the years when he became a father. Last August, Mr. Gomez moved to South Dakota, from where it took him 11 hours to reach Lewiston so that he could be with us tonight. The poems that he's about to read speak of the pains and the wonders, the alertness and the confusion, the freedom and the discomfort, the loneliness that characteristically accompany the balancing act of a life lived in translation. Please welcome Cristian Gomez.